On a bright morning in Drury Lane, everyone was excited. It was Muffin Day. The Muffin Man woke up early, humming his favorite tune. Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? He mixed the flour, sugar, and butter, and soon the smell of warm muffins filled the air. But, oh no! When he opened the oven, the muffins were gone! He followed a trail of crumbs through the lane and found 3 giggling children hiding behind a tree, each holding a muffin. The Muffin Man smiled. Next time, just ask. There are enough muffins for everyone. They all laughed, shared the muffins, and sang together. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane. Moral: sharing makes everything sweeter.